Alright guys, so quickly I would just decided to just grab some B-roll. I noticed there's been a lot of updates here inside of MC Pro, and I wanted to basically try them out because that's how you figure stuff out. So the first thing I did here, I'm using the anamorphic lens. I'm recording at 1920 by 1080, 24 frames, GPU enabled. I'm running at 240 MPBS, and then I also have on, what else do I have? Anamorphic de-squeezing 1.3, vertical, sharpness. I have noise reduction off and sharpness off. And then over here, this is what I was interested in. My ISO, I was changing it. It fluctuated to 1200 all the way down to the lowest, but I roughly kept it around 48 frames per second. But this is what I was quite interested in here. Some new settings I noticed over here. I was running in manual on the color correction, on the color temperature. You can see here. And then here, these gamuts. These are really cool. I've been studying about gammas because I've been doing VFX a lot and learning about different color curves and things. So normally I always do sRGB Rec 709 at the top, but I decided to switch it to C Cinema gamut, and then I'm running an M Cine log. So of course I'm recording this before I edit this video, so I don't know what it's going to look like with the once I get it color corrected and everything, but we'll see how it works out. But this is the whole point of this, is just to experiment, try out stuff, know your equipment, learn your apps, and that's what I did here. So it's not going to be any crazy Peter McKinnon style B-roll. It's just me testing and finding out what my phone can do and what it cannot do. So lesson learned. Get out there and just film. It doesn't always have to be some epic B-roll video. The whole point of this is just to get to know your equipment. Anyways, Patrick Levar. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.